Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'll be sharing my brother's recipe with you, which is beef chop. This is 1 kilo of beef chop.
We've got sea salt. We're not going to use normal salt, we're going to use sea salt, so it's just a bit of a healthier option, but you can use normal if you wish to. We're going to season that. Bear in mind, we always season both sides. Got black pepper. Season it well because it is a big cut chop. It's beef chop, so you've got to season it well. Then we've got all mixed herbs, which includes your marjoram, thyme, sage, oregano, and parsley. Just shake a lot of that in there so you get that nice aromatic smell to it. Lamb seasoning. It's beef, but we can also use the lamb. The same type of seasoning. Season a lot of it in there. And then you've got your rosemary. Goes really well with beef or any sort of red meat. Rosemary is really well. And then we're going to do the same for both the side and including the sides. Just going to spray it so the meat don't stick to the pan. So we're going to lightly spray it. Well, it seems light, but we are going to spray it really well just to make sure they don't stick. And let this just sit and stir till the mark is grilled. So make sure we've got a place like this. The next one we're going to do, we're going to work it that way so it comes out with the marks.